Greetings my friends, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I have here an FM AM radio, and this is a shower radio, all weather, and check this one here, shower radio. So it means that you can use this one when you take a bath, but this is not a waterproof. Just hang this one on the wall of your bathroom. And in today's video I'm going to show you how to rechannel the Japanese FM, since this one is from Japan. So I'm going to rechannel this one. At least I can get maybe 8 channels here in my country, because my region here starts at 88 until 108 megahertz, but this is 76 up to 92 only, some up to 90. That is a Japanese standard FM radio. So now I'm going to put the battery, and let's check first the FM stations. I'm going to set this to FM. Then, as you can see here, I'm starting at 76 megahertz up to 92. Let's check the channels, but this one up to 88 I cannot pick up here because I'm in the Philippines. So I'm going to start 88.
Sa kanhi 18 soldiers sa balay matod.
Loto ka. Oh.
May na maklaro ni gunsa ning class. Sumala sa surrender na Henry Peter kita no ha. It has been the honor. Sani? It has been the honor of my life to serve. Pati lang ba? Hindi mo pas man.
So I can only get more or less 45 channels. So I'm going to rechannel this one. At least I can get maybe 8 or 10 channels. And now let's get started. Now this is the circuit, and as you can see here, it has an oscillator coil. And to check if this is for the FM, this side here, I'm going to use my own technique. I'm going to turn this on. I'm going to set this to AM.
At strong immunity kasabay ng
Now I'm going to use this tweezer just to check the AM, just to isolate the AM. It means that this two or this trimmer here is for AM. So this one here is for the FM. Now I'm going to set this one to FM. Let's double check if this is for the FM. It means this is the oscillator. This one is the antenna. This two is for the AM. Now that you isolate, let's check here the coil. I'm going to use a toothpick. I'm going to bend a little, then move this tuning to the lower part of the frequency.
Moagi gyud midulman. moagi middleman, ang purpose silang pag-picture is aron ma-account, kwarta bilang na.
Then move this one to a lower frequency.
Panalangin para sa personal na pagbabago at pagpapalingkod sa Diyos.
Nagtumong sa pagpalaw sa
Ang mga petisyon na nilalawag ng
kung
panalangin ito
uban tali sa
ay
ASEAN
sa mga
workshop.
iyong bantayan at pangalagaan sa
Ano iba? Ini salamat sa katapos.
We are made in the image of, made in focus. Got too weak to carry on. Thought that I was too far gone. Also, manufacture price. All right together. Matod pa niya, Micah. Listen, Mazad. Puro ka high-grade ingredients. Di ako mismo ang kalabas.
Now let's check, guys, how many stations I can receive. Let's start here, 92 megahertz, but actually this is not a 92 megahertz now. This is just my dial. 1,
witness for Jesus, because only in Jesus do we find real.
2,
Find real hope in Jesus Christ. Visit
Sa imo sa uban. Kani ikutan niya ang problema mo para manasa. Wala ka lang mas nice nagikutan-aw na niya kung
Three.
sa nina karon no kaysa ni. Pagsugod noon sa naman. Sa
Four.
mga tanong nga dili lang mga bata ang nag-andam kundi
Reklamo nga rin.
5,
Likay sa kalisod, likay
Six.
sa kasakit. Para inigmatas kabuntagon, nam na kung konsti. Mga senador, katong
7,
Brian Tayam, katong maestrong nagdusok.
8,
Mapalit sa mga tindahan sa RSV Life Care
Nine.
Marketing Incorporated ug sa mga
Saga, wa ko ka tekod paglas ni. Wa ko ka,
Ten.
wa ko ka tekod ay mog binung.
Now I can get 10 FM stations. And I think that's all. A simple tweak how to rechannel this Japanese all-weather AM FM radio.
you on rules. Have you been elected to the post?
That's all, and hope you like this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.